Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add pattern to shirt in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Now make a selection of the shirt. After make a selection, add a layer mask. Now import the design. So go to File, Place Embedded and import the pattern and transform it to the shirt size and hit OK. And now create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Now select layer mask and increase the feather to make the edges smoother. 3 pixel feather is enough and hit OK. And now go to blending options and move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. And see how we can easily add pattern to shirt. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.